All right, so the ultimate toiletry bag knife, the Victorinox Outrider. It's basically the Swiss Soldier and the other one I always show, which is the Victorinox Forester. The only thing is it's got a pair of scissors, huge scissors. And if you know Victorinox scissors, they're great, the best on the market. Oh, not just the scissors. It's got an inline Phillips screwdriver, which is legit very handy. That's why it's nice for travel, just those little things. That's not all I wanted to, obviously, if you could just look that up. I wanted to point out something that's maybe a little bit more obscure. Everybody loves the Swiss Soldier knife, and so do I. I love the Forester more for a different reason. But if you look, you see how, let's see. See that liner right there? Notice how it straddles only one side of the blade. And that seam where where the back spring feeds into the tang of the blade, it's right there at that cutoff. So, I mean, it's strong. I don't have any concerns about it, but it's weaker because it's stronger on that side. So, in a way, when I'm shaving a knife, a stick, I'm applying a downward pressure, and sliding. Having that little piece of metal there reinforces kind of that pressure. If I were to do the same thing in reverse, though, there's nothing there to keep that blade from like just getting too much torque. Not sure if you noticed that before, but this Victorinox Outrider is a little wider. As far as like thicker because it accommodates the extra layer of tools. It doesn't have the same defect. You see, so that makes it, in my opinion, just a little bit stronger. What do you think? I mean, I still love the soldier knife. Totally. And I love the Outrider. It's at that line for me, man. I can throw this one in my pocket if I had to. It's big, but I could throw it in my pocket and carry on with my day. If it wasn't on a belt sheath, I could do it. That's my limit. It's just way too fucking bulky, so that's why it goes in the toiletry bag, because I trust it. If I'm ever on vacation and I'm fucked, I just gotta go in my backpack, go in there, and I got a fucking good knife. Something with a saw on it, something with scissors, a screwdriver, a good ass fucking blade too, because that thing is chunky. And then, yeah, I just have some peace of mind that it's always there. But I think I talked about it before, man. This thing looks like a dog dick, like a red rocket. I don't know. They got a black one too. But you know, it was on Amazon, I think I got this one. And the black one was like $100. And then the red one was like 83. So I was like, what the fuck is the difference? And I was looking at it and I was like, it's just the color. So I went with the red one. Because I'm practical. Maybe a little cheap. But anyways, that's my 2 cents. Did you ever notice that the soldier knife is a lot weaker than the Outrider? Now you do.